central government. It appears that individual citizens are losing more and more of their autonomy. I'd like to hear your ideas on what the results of this, when this happens, what the result will be. Is it really a good idea to have government control our health care to a larger degree than they already do?
Well, let's put it this way. Let's assume out there that you own an insurance company that provides health care insurance. And the government under this program is going to provide a government-sponsored health insurance policy. And you've got to compete with that health insurance policy, but the federal government gets to set the rules and gets to enforce them. And they get to set the standards. Now, how effective do you think you're going to be able to compete with that? You're going to put the private insurance business out of business, in my opinion. And at the end of the day, the federal government is now going to be running GM. They're going to be running health care, which is 18% of our GDP, and they're going to be running the insurance health industry. I cannot see how anybody that professes to be any kind of a conservative could buy into that program.
You know, the people. So everything needs to be geared that you're in control with your physician as to what happens and what doesn't happen. Yes, reform is necessary. And believe me, I truly believe insurance reform is definitely interesting. It's definitely necessary. But that's the direction we need to go. I do not want to give this to the government and take away our ability to do what we feel is right. And that's a risk we all take when we lose that power. That's life and death. And the way I see it, I am simply paying out of taxes for the demise of my parents. And I refuse to do so.
Amen. Yeah.
I want to do what's right for them. I am their physician, and I don't want anybody telling me otherwise. If they want to pay for it, through their insurance network or whatever have you, that's what we need to do. And it's a joke to think that any insurance company can compete with a government institution. Look at Medicare. They've never made money. They're in the hole. They don't care to make money. Why? Because they'll just tax all of you. How does an insurance company that needs to make a profit going to compete with that? It's not possible. It's ludicrous. And that's why that will drive insurance businesses, I believe, out of business. Because you can't compete with an entity that wants to that has no desire to make a profit. Thank you, Dr. Rimmer.